Hey everyone, welcome back. Are the ads in Smash Fest getting longer and more frequent the further you progress, making the game feel like more ad than the game? Here's what's happening and what you can do. Ad frequency in free games like Smash Fest is set by the developer and increases after the first few sessions once the new player honeymoon period ends. This is deliberate to encourage no ad purchases rather than a bug. To reduce how often ads appear, first go to Settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Scroll down to find Smash Fest, tap on it, then tap Offload app. Then go to the App Store and search for Smash Fest. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap reinstall. Once you reinstall, Fresh install sometimes temporarily resets the ad frequency back to lower early game levels. After reinstalling, go to the app settings app, then go to general, then go to software update and confirm your iOS is current. Since outdated iOS ad framework versions tend to serve longer ads. If you want to remove ads permanently, the cleanest solution is the in-app no ads purchase. Go to the Smash Fest app, then go to settings or the menu and look for the remove ads or no ads option, which removes interstitial ads from your gameplay for one-time payment. So all you've got to do is reinstall the app fresh to temporarily reduce frequency, update iOS for shorter ads, or reuse in-app no ad purchases for permanent fix, and that's it. Subscribe.